Kara, where are you, Kara? Hi, Kara. What's today? What's so special about today?
Thanksgiving.
Yeah! Happy Thanksgiving!
Wait, after that is Christmas.
Christmas is like a month away.
Yeah.
But today...
But can you tell the vlog which big surprise I want? It's a big farmhouse, a big bike theme.
Yeah, so this year, I mean, it's barely Thanksgiving today, and Kara's already telling us what she wants for Christmas. And she says she wants 2 big gifts. She wants a bike and a dollhouse. But I don't know, have you been a good kid this year?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We'll see what Santa says. All right, well, let's go. Let's go get some good food and hang out with cousins and family. Where are we going? What?
We're going out that beach.
Yeah. Look at all these gorgeous people here. Except for you.
Oh! Sorry, it is.
And next, where are we going next?
Seal Beach.
To the beach.
That state. Goes right next to Seal Beach.
Where are we going next?
The ocean.
You know.
Ocean.
To the ocean, man.
So how you at?
Man. Eli, where are we going next?
Do you want to split like
The beach?
Yeah.
or I don't
Which
know.
is the ocean.
The ocean.
I don't know.
Spoon.
Yeah, Lydia's giving you a spoon. Girl?
I don't want salad in there.
What do you want, baby?
I want.
He wants the same thing, he just doesn't want to see green colors in there.
Okay.
You want dumplings? Saffron. How is it?
Huh?
One thumb up. Got it. Not 2 thumbs up?
You want to?
She's like, I'm not putting down these.
No chicken.
There we go, 2 thumbs up. Is this your first time at a beach? You have a beach? Your own beach? Oh. Eli, guess where we are?
Pacific Ocean.
Yes, it is the Pacific Ocean.
Hi.
We made it to the beach and Eli is asleep. Look at him. Eli, you don't want to wake up, buddy? Let's go in the sand, yeah? Work faster!
I'm trying!
Work harder!
I'm trying!
Hey Eli, do you know what Nathan's doing right now? He's gonna make a big fire. Huge fire. I am man. I build fire. How was the drive?
Good.
How was the drive, Kara?
Not good.
Where are we? Not good? Where are we?
At the beach.
At the beach? Do you want to take off your shoes when we get to the sand? Look what I found. What's this? What's this?
A shell.
A shell. There's so many. If we go over there, you'll see more of them, okay? Whoa, I found the coolest one, but it's broken. It's broken. Here, that
That's
one's yours.
okay.
Is it okay?
Look at the shells.
All the shells you collect, you can put in here. Okay?
But
Or you could put it in my shoe. How about that? It won't smell that bad in there. Just a little bad. A lot of bad. It doesn't smell great in there. I don't remember this beach having this many shells.
I don't either.
It's been a while since I've been to this beach though. Hey, monkey boy. Hey, monkey boy. Toes! Cold toes! Hey! Come here, Kara! Go! Let's put our toes in the water.
Let's put our Kara in the water.
Yeah, I only have one Kara.
Yay! So you
Is it
careful,
cold?
Kara's behind you.
Thank you.
It's cold, huh? That is some cold water. I mean, it is November, so.
over here.
Okay. Wait, no, it's just here. I'll put it in my pocket so you don't have to go back up. You like this beach? What do you think about this beach? Thumbs up? Thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. Oh yeah. What are you guys doing? Are you building sandcastles? Yeah. Yeah, sandcastles. Whoa, you got a whole lot of sand there. Show me the sand. What? You dropped all the sand.
I have all.
You got all the sand? Oh my gosh. What?
I got 2 seasons.
Whoa, 2 seashells. Whoa, this one's really nice right here. What do you think? Do you like these seashells?
I just.
Whoa, this one is nice, Kara. Where'd you get this one?
Over there, I saw them and I said no. I fell down.
Okay. Oh, you fell? But you got back up. Look, look, look. Oh, don't throw them too hard. They break super easily. But look, I collected all of them in my shoe, so they're safe in there.
That's real.
Oh, that one's super pretty. Hold on to it, Eli. Don't lose it. All right.
Can I put this there?
You can put it in the shoe. Go put in Daddy's gray shoe over here.
This shoe.
Over here, Eli.
This shoe.
Look, this shoe. It's the one with all the shells. But you got to put it gently in there so it doesn't break the other shells. Put it very gently, all the way. Good job.
Can you take a picture of me doing sideways?
Oh no, now you're all sideways. Now you guys are all upside down. Oh man, you look weird upside down.
Do you?
You guys look like bats. Eli, are you guys gonna cook hot dogs? All right, we're gonna put hot dogs on your stick.
Hands up, come on.
My mom.
I'll cook your hot dogs. We're gonna roast them.
Let's go.
How did your hot dog come out? Good? Eli, how's your hot dog?
2 stars.
2 stars?
Hot dog.
5 stars in your face.
Out of 10.
Oh no. That's how restaurants work. Oh, that thing's like breaking all apart in his hands. How's it taste? It's okay if your hands get sticky. That's the best part. Eat it, Eli. Eat it. You gotta eat it fast, like ice cream.
Eat it like a little savage.
I got trouble. Yeah. How's it taste, Eli?
Eli.
Another bite. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Did you guys have fun at the beach, Eli? Did you have fun at the beach?
Yellow. I did.
You liked it? You did have fun? But you're ready to go home now, huh?